In this video, we will practice some sentences used on daily basis or may be taken from past papers. Click on this link to watch the videos about parts of speech, tenses, active voice, passive voice, and narrations. Let's start. Sentence number 1. Abstain from bad activities. Abstain from bad activities. Sentence number 2. Don't forget to bring potato. Don't forget to bring potato. Sentence number 3. I will break your teeth. I will break your teeth. Sentence number 4. Anyway, now go to bed. Anyway, now go to bed. Sentence number 5. You have to go. You have to go.